In today's morning, I got a message from my friend for a Mumbai to go a road trip, and I was so excited, guys. But oh no, wait, my hairs aren't really ready. Also, looking so bad and so damaged. But hey, I think I have a solution for this, and for that, I am using first Lotus organic products, in which I am using Lotus Organic Intensive Scalp Revitalizing Oil, which will help me to stop getting my hairs dry or dull. And I am massaging this into my scalp very nicely and gently and leaving this for at least 30 minutes. Then I am using Lotus Organic Intensive Scalp Care Shampoo, which will help me to stop my hair fall and give strength to my hairs. All the products I am using are so natural and free from sulfate, paraben and artificial fragrances, and suits all hair types. Now my hairs are looking so beautiful and I am ready for my Mumbai to Goa road trip. Are you ready, guys?